Running a business in Suffolk? Your accountant should do more than tell you what happened last year. At RSZ Accountancy, we give business owners clear numbers, practical advice, and proper support to help them make better decisions. Paying tax is part of business, but paying more than you need to? That's where good advice matters. From accounts and tax to planning, pricing, and growth, RSZ helps make the numbers useful. RSZ Accountancy. Business support, not just accountancy.
RSZ Accountancy.
Search RSZ Accountancy.